Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn about 12th standard topic, that is utility analysis, chapter number 2. In last some videos I have explained chapter number 1, micro and macroeconomics, and in today's video we will do utility analysis and our subtopic is features of utility. So what is a utility? Utility means want satisfying power of a commodity. It means when commodity has a power to satisfy our wants, it's called utility. Wants means our desire. Next, utility analysis help us to understand consumer behavior in relation to maximization of satisfaction. It means after having commodity, what is the behavior of consumer, what type of satisfaction he get, that study we do under utility analysis. Now features of utility. So number one is relative concept. Utility is a relative concept. It is related to time as well as place. Utility always varies. Varies means different. Utility always varies from time to time and place to place. Example, woolen cloth. It has a more utility in winter season compared to rainy and summer season. It means utility related to time. Next, sand. Sand has a more utility in a construction area compared to normal area. It means utility related to place. Next is subjective concept. Subjective means individual concept. So utility is a psychological. It is a individual and subjective in a nature. Utility always differ from person to person. It means if one commodity providing utility to a person, it does not mean that same commodity provide utility to b person. The reason is that there is a difference in a taste, like, dislike, nature, habit of a individual. Now example, suppose stethoscope have a more utility for a doctor, then it does not have same utility for teachers. Same here, book has a more utility for educated people compared to illiterate people. So it means it is a subjective, it is a differ from individual to individual. Next is ethical neutral concept. Ethical means moral wise and neutral means without taking anyone's side. So utility does not consider in ethical way, it just based on satisfaction. It means commodity should have a power to satisfy the want, whether the commodity is good, bad, desirable, undesirable. These things are not matter. It means utility does not think in an ethical way, in a moral way. It just think that commodity should have a power to satisfy our want. Example, knife. Knife have a utility to cut vegetables and fruits. Same knife has a utility to harm someone. So knife have a two use. First to cut vegetables and fruit and second to harm anyone. So utility just think about want satisfying. The power of a commodity is to satisfy the want. It does not think in an ethical way. Next is utility differ from usefulness. Utility means capacity of a commodity to satisfy human want, whereas usefulness indicate value in the use of commodity. Means utility means commodity should have a power to satisfy our want, and usefulness means we are using that commodity because we will get something useful from that. So these both concepts are different. Utility is a differ from usefulness. How? Suppose cigarette. Cigarette have a utility for a smoker, but it is not good for his health. Same liquor, drugs. These have a utility for a druggist and for a drunkard, but it will not good for their health. So utilities always differ from usefulness. Next is utility differs from pleasure. Utility differ from pleasure means some commodity have a utility but it will not give any type of pleasure to consumer. Pleasure means happiness, enjoyment. So some commodity, utility and pleasure both are different. Some commodity have a utility but it will not give pleasure to us. Example, when we are not well, we have to go to the doctor and we have to take medicine and injection. So medicine and injection will give a utility to patient. He will get cure from the disease, but the medicine and injection will not provide any type of pleasure to patient. So that utility differs from pleasure. Next is utility differ from satisfaction. Utility is the reason for consumption and satisfaction is the end result of consumption. It means when we find utility in any product, that time we consume that product, and satisfaction we get when our consumption will be over after having that commodity. So both are different. Utility take place at the starting point and satisfaction take place at ending point. Example, a thirsty person. When person is very thirsty, that time he will find utility in a water. So he will consume water because he will find utility. So utility is the reason for consumption. The person is thirsty, so he is finding that there is a utility in a drinking of water. So utility is a cause of consumption. After having 2-3 glass, when he is all the thirst will over, so he will stop drinking. That is called satisfaction. So utility is a starting reason for consumption and satisfaction is a end result for consumption. Next is measurement of utility is hypothetical. Hypothetical means in overway. So it is again in a next topic we have learned, utility is a subjective, psychological and individual concept. We cannot measure. It means utility is not a cardinal and numerical. We cannot measure utility in numbers. We cannot say I got 1 utility, I got 2 utility, 3 utility and all. So we cannot measure utility. It is a depend on individual to individual. It is a psychological concept. Example, hungry person. When person is a very hungry, that time he will find utility in having food. If person is not hungry, then he will not find utility in a food. When person is very hungry, when he will have 1 chapati, he will get utility. If he will have 2 chapati, he will get more utility. After having 4 to 5 chapati, his utility will be over. So that hungry person will not say, after having 1 chapati, I got 1 utility. After having 2 chapati, I got 2 utility. It means we cannot measure utility in a number. Utility can be in a form of positive, means we got a positive effect. It can be in a form of negative or 0. When there is a negative utility, it means there is a disutility. Next is utility is a multi-purpose. Some commodity has a power to satisfy more than one person, and some commodity we can use for many uses. Utility is a multi-purpose means some commodity has a power to satisfy more than one person and we can use that commodity for a many purpose, such as electricity. Electricity has a power to use for many purpose. It means we can use electricity to run fan, tube lights, computer, TV, etc. Same electricity can use by many people at a same time. So utility have a multi-purpose. Next is utility depends on the intensity of wants. Intensity means your urgency toward the want. Intensity means आपकी अंदर की इच्छा, we can say, your strong desire. So utilities depend upon your intensity for the commodity and your intensity for the want. If your intensity for the want is more, it means that your utility is more. If your intensity and your urgency of a want decline, so your utility will be also decline and diminish. Example, hungry man. When person is very hungry, so he will find utility in a chapati. when his hunger over, so his utility will be decline. Example, when you are very hungry, so starting 2-3 chapati will give you more and more utility. As your hunger over, after that chapati will give you less utility. So utilities are depend upon your wants, your intensity of a want. Next is, utility is the basis of demand. Person will demand a commodity if that commodity will provide any utility. Example, medicine. When we are not feeling well, or when we having fever or cough and any type of disease, that time we demand medicine. So many people demand commodity because that commodity providing utility, such as medicine. When we are not well, we go to the doctor, we take medicine. So we demanding commodity, sorry, we have a utility from a medicine, so that we are demanding that commodity. So utility is based on demand of the commodity. Friends, I hope so this video will help you to clear your all doubt regarding features of utility. So please listen this video again and again, and like, share and subscribe my channel. This is my YouTube link, and you can get all the videos when you will write name Neetu Saad Nimbark on a YouTube. Please like, share and subscribe. Share to all your friends. Help to increase my subscriber. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Be happy. Stay at home and do study.